Hey everybody, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2016 Honda Civic. This has a black exterior with a black interior. Sunroof. Come around and take a look at the back here. Trunk. Rear seats. Quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. See our driver door controls here. Driver seat controls. Driver seat. Steering wheel. Go ahead and hop inside. You have a push button ignition. And mileage on this vehicle is currently at 59,025. So here's our Honda touchscreen, where you can control the radio, Bluetooth, as well as access your backup camera. Climate control is also built in here. So between the touch screen and the dials here, you can control your climate. Below that is our shifter. And center console. Now, if you'd like to see any photos or get any additional information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.